To sign into Hulu with Spotify, start by opening the Hulu app or website on your device. If you are using a smartphone or tablet, make sure you have the latest version of the Hulu app installed. First, navigate to the login page and select the option to sign in with Spotify. You will be redirected to the Spotify login page where you will enter your Spotify credentials. Enter your Spotify email address and password. Then select the login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Spotify account, you may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. After successfully logging into your Spotify account, you will be asked to authorize Hulu to access your Spotify account information. Review the permissions and select the Agree button to proceed. You will then be redirected back to the Hulu login page, where you should now be logged in with your Spotify account. If you do not have a Hulu account, you may be prompted to create one or start a free trial. To ensure a seamless experience, make sure your Spotify and Hulu accounts are registered with the same email address. If you encounter any issues during the sign-in process, try restarting the app or checking your internet connection. By following these steps, you can easily sign into Hulu with your Spotify account and enjoy your favorite TV shows and movies. Remember to always keep your account credentials secure and be cautious when authorizing third-party apps to access your account information. It is also important to note that signing into Hulu with Spotify may provide personalized recommendations based on your Spotify listening history. This can help you discover new content and enhance your overall viewing experience. In conclusion, signing into Hulu with Spotify is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By leveraging your existing Spotify account, you can easily access Hulu's extensive library of content without having to create a new account or remember additional login credentials.